What's up everyone, my name is Ben and today we'll be talking about the brand new Apple AirPods 2. There has been a lot of talk about the new potential AirPods version 2.0, and in my opinion they will be released in a couple of weeks or maybe a month at the annual October iPad Apple event, where they also announced the new iPads, MacBooks and Apple accessories. So today we'll be looking some of the known leaks, concepts and predicted features that we will see on the brand new Apple AirPods 2.0. So without a further ado, let's jump straight into the video. First off is probably what we are all most excited about or expecting. So you guys know we recently got the brand new iPhones, the iPhones XR, which are available in about 6 colors I believe, and therefore my guess is that with the new Apple AirPods 2 we will see the same colors that we did with the iPhones XR, that basically we'll also get all the new AirPods in those colors. There has been a lot of companies earning big money just because they're customizing the official Apple AirPods with colors, skins and so on, and therefore I'm guessing that Apple will take their offer up or will just do the coloring themselves, which is what I'm guessing will happen with the release of AirPods 2. With the new AirPods 2.0 I also expect a lot of features. As you know now with Apple AirPods, the current edition, you need to double tap to activate the voice assistant, and with the new ones I bet that you will be able to activate the voice assistant by just saying the phrase that we usually say to activate it. We will also get wireless charging with a case, with the possible feature of wireless charging from your phone, which basically means that you'll be able to put Apple AirPods 2 when they're in their case on your iPhone and they will start charging, as well as being able to charge them on a wireless dock. They will also supposedly be water resistant, which means that you will be able to dunk them with the case into the water. I'm not too sure about that one as it seems kind of sketchy, but we will see. We will also see new technology. So currently we are using the tech called W1, and supposedly the AirPods 2 will use the W2 tech, which basically means that the Wi-Fi will be, or the Bluetooth will be about 75 to 80% more efficient, as well with the power. So the power will also be up to about 50% more efficient, which means that if we don't have a battery increase in the case, we'll be able to get about 50% more out of the current battery life, which is about 8 hours I would say, and that is of course keeping in mind what I'm currently getting with my Apple AirPods, which is about 4 to 5 hours with all the charges that are stored in the battery case. In my opinion, we will also see a small redesign just to make these stand out more, because Apple always does their redesign because other people around us need to know that we have the latest and greatest Apple product. Therefore, along the colors, the new colors, I'm also guessing we will see a small redesign. So at the moment, the Apple AirPods cost around $160, 180 euros here in Europe, but I'm guessing that with the new Apple AirPods 2, they will make them either cheaper or the same price as the last ones, just because most of us use the current AirPods, and well, it just makes sense to keep the price right around the same. As I said, with the release date, they are most likely to be released in October this year, and if we don't get them this year, possibly in spring of next year. So this was basically a quick little video talking about the leaks, possible features that we will be getting with the new Apple AirPods 2. Please let me know in the comments below if you're excited, and if you currently own the Apple AirPods. Drop this video a like if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next time.